Hello everyone, this is Shankar. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about loan approval processing app by using Apache Kafka and Springboard. So let's get started. So first let's create a project, file, new, Spring Starter project. So name like so loan hyphen approval loan hyphen approval hyphen processing hyphen app roll approval processing app. So I am using Java 17 version. Next Springboard version is 3.5.14. So coming to dependencies, we need a Spring Verb dependency, JPA dependency. I will store data. So JPA dependency driver. So I will use Oracle. So Oracle driver. So so this is the loan approval processing, right? So there are like loan approval topic. I will create one. Loan notification topic I will create. For notification I will send like a one theme lift template. So I will explain that. Suppose you are withdraw some amount in a ATM. After that you will get some mail, right? Some so and so ATM, like that on table format, multiple rows, how much amount you deducted, where you are withdraw, all details like that. One email template. Whenever loan is approved, it will trigger a notification to your mail ID by using email service. So for that we need a theme lift. So we added verb, we added JP, we added Oracle driver, theme lift we added. So Kafka related we need Springboard Apache Kafka. After that dev tools we need. Let's check dev tools we need and logbook we need. So Java email sender. So I'm not using this. I am not developing the email service. Just I am developing the loan approval processing app only up to that. So in email service, one listener will be there that will be consuming these notifications. So after preparing theme lift template, it will be consuming that part. I will not that part I will not develop. So I will clearly explain while I am drawing a architecture diagram about this project. Right? So next finish. So let's wait until this project is created. Look like it is created, right? So now we will let's understand about architecture. How look this project? How many topics will be there? How many listeners are there? How many processors are there? Like that. How many tables are there? Everything I will add in. So in this diagram, right? So now what we are building now? Tell me guys what we are building. Loan approval processing app. Loan approval processing app. We are building the loan approval processing app. So suppose agent Chrome browser. In Chrome browser, you are hitting one endpoint. You are hitting one endpoint called loan-approvals. It is a one endpoint. You are hitting in Chrome browser. Right? After what happened? It reaches the loan approval processing app. It will reach the loan approval processing app, right? After that, so in controller, we will inject the service, right? In service, so I will prepare a event and stored into database. So in service, I will prepare a event and stored into database. So what event I will prepare? See here, loan approval, loan approval event. This is entity. Loan approval entity I will prepare, and what I will do, save into Oracle database. So I will prepare a loan approval event and I will save into database. Right? So let's add a up to arrow mark. So browser hit the one endpoint. It reaches our application. Right? After that, so post will reach to controller in service. After it will go to service. In service, I am preparing one loan approval event and I am saving into database. Right? After that, what I am doing? So I am publishing after saving next line. Last next line itself, I am publishing event to topic. So what I am doing? Publishes and publishes event to. So topic, what topic? Loan approval, loan approval topic. So I am publishing event to this topic. So increase the size to 12, 16. So here I am preparing the event and saving to database. After saving, publishes event to loan approval topic. So I am not sending. See, this is the complete event I am storing into database. But here I am not sending entire event to Kafka topic. What I am sending here, I am sending only event ID. I am sending only a event ID. I will explain why I am sending. I am sending only event ID. See? So now our app publishes event to loan approval topic. Right? Publishes to loan approval topic. So now let's say add a one diagram. Let's say add a one diagram about Kafka related. Let's say add a one diagram. Now suppose assume this is a so Kafka ecosystem ecosystem assume it is a Kafka ecosystem. Suppose so every like high level only I am explaining from from topic onwards I am explaining here. So I am skipping the I am skipping the cluster broker all this. Now topic. What is topic? Topic is nothing but logical partition of message, right? Messages are not storing here. Messages are storing inside. Inside partitions will be there. Partitions. Partitions about 0, 1 default partition. Inside partitions, log segments will be there. Log segment. Inside log segment, records will be there. Here message will be stored. Here message will be stored. Here message will be stored, right? Suppose publishes event to loan producer topic. So then what will happen? It will store into suppose one record. It will be stored, right? So it will be stored. Up to what we have done, we are prepared event and save it to database, and we are same event we are sent to the topic, Kafka topic. We are not send entire event, just we send event ID. Why only send event ID? I will explain. So there is a listener. There is a listener. So it is listening which topic? Loan hyphen approval hyphen topic. So loan hyphen approval hyphen topic. So control X. Let's increase the size. So now so listener. So there is a listener listening to loan approval topic. So what contains this topic? Which kind of data it contains? So see here I mentioned event ID. It contains the event ID. So by using event ID, what we are doing? So get entity data. We are fetching entity data by using event ID. By using event ID, we are fetching the entity data, right? So this one event publishes to topic, right? After that, what happened? Subscribed, were subscribed or consumed, were subscribed. After that, what happened? By using event ID, we get the entity. We fetch the entity data from the database. Here, see here, we are already saved event. After preparation, we are saved the event. So in by using publisher, we are just sending the event ID. By using this is the producer. Producer is sending one message to Kafka. There is a listener. This listener is listening the event ID. By using the event ID, fetching the entity data. Right? Up to understand, right? Then what will happen? So here, here, prepare notification, prepare notification, theme leaf, theme leaf, templates. So, so here by using entity data, we are preparing the prepare notification theme leaf templates. So for this, like loan approval, right? Suppose if loan approved, it will trigger one template. Loan is approved. If it is loan is under progress, it will trigger one mail. Loan is under progress. Or if other, like loan is rejected, if anything happen other, it will like defaultly, like suppose there are like one status is approved, loan is approved. I am adding one status like a loan is approved. So under review, second status is under review. So if not to anything, I am making as a default. I will use switch condition. I will check approved, status or under review. Not these two. By default is it. If not both, then it will print a default theme leaf template. I will explain more in code. Now prepare notification theme leaf templates by using what? By using this entity data. Entity data, we are preparing the notification theme leaf template. After that, what we are doing? So this prepared event we are publishing to. This is prepared, right? Some notification template were prepared. So what we are doing here? Publish, publishes, publishes event to. So other topic, nothing but loan notification, notification topic. Control X. Let's extend this some more. Now here here publishes event to loan notification topic. This is the new topic. Initial topic loan approval topic. This is the new topic we are sending. Right? This is the prepared notification template event. This template we are sending to this topic. So here what will happening? So here it will goes to, after it will goes to here. So here now arrow marks. Now arrow marks. We are sending the event, right? So here what we prepared theme lift templates. Here, here, here theme lift templates are prepared. We are prepared the theme lift templates. Now, so this publishes event to loan notification topic, right? There is a another service like email. Email service will be there. It is listening. It is listening. It is listening which topic? Which topic? Loan notification. Loan notification topic. Loan notification topic. Right? So this email service is listening loan notification topic. This app I am not developing. This is not I am developing. That's why I'm making to do. Later in future, maybe we will develop this. That's it. So, and another endpoint is there. Another endpoint here. Theme lift templates are there, right? By using event ID, we will get like suppose another endpoint called slash event ID. Event ID nothing but here UUID. UUID slash event ID. I am passing event ID. So then what will happen? I am passing slash UUID. It will goes to application. After that, it will goes to the so it will goes to the here. It will goes to so here we are preparing, right? Event ID. We have event ID. After event ID, we are preparing the theme lift template. So after preparing theme lift template, we are publishing event to loan notification topic, right? This published event we will page. Published event with theme lift template we will page by using event ID. So finally in browser I will show a that theme lift template and here and in CMD also I will run the both topics consumers. I will show post consumer will be this this topic will be consuming the event ID. It will display this one. It will be written the template code, theme lift template code. I will show in CMD as well. So right. So understand right. It is the architecture diagram about. So this is the architecture diagram about loan approval processing app. It contains two topics. loan approval topic, loan notification topic. So first we are preparing. So this is the loan approval is the one end point. It will sending. After that, it will goes to the controller. Controller to service in controller. We are preparing the loan approval event. After that, we are saving into database. After saving into database, we are publishes event to loan approval topic. While sending the event, we are not sending entire event. Just we are sending the event ID. So it will now stored into the inside the partitions. Inside partition, some records in some this topic data will be stored into the record. After that, there is a listener loan approval topic. This topic contains this is the producer, this is the consumer. This consumer is listening whenever this publisher publishes event. This is subscribes. So what get it will get the event ID. By using event ID, it will fetch the entity data. By using entity data, prepares notification theme lift templates. It will be prepared. So here theme lift templates are prepared, right? After that preparing, publishing event to another topic called low notification topic. We are publishing this topic. What will happen? This data again stored into the this data stored into the here in this topic record. So this is a topic one. So it will be another topic like it will be another topic. There are two topics, right? There are two topics. Suppose there are two topics. This is a topic 2. This is the topic 1. Topic 1 contains loan approval data. Topic 2 contains loan notification data. So after publishing event to partition this Kafka, so there is a listener in email service. This is a different service. It is listening this data, and it is preparing the theme lift templates. It is listening the data, and so it is listening the data from the where this topic available loan approval processing app. So understand that. So let's we will start developing this. Now let's we will start developing this application. So first let's add the application dot properties. So this time we need to add databases related, JPA related, all we need to add serialization, deserialization, everything we need to add. So server dot port 8101. Suppose let's take this one. After that, database. Which database we are using? We are using Oracle. There are 4 details required, right? Spring dot database dot spring dot database dot spring dot data source dot URL. So check this spellings carefully, otherwise it will throw some exceptions. Spring dot data source dot URL JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon at the rate of localhost colon, this is the port 1521 slash service. Like, let's go to SQL developer. Let's check what is the global ID. So JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon at the rate of localhost colon 1521 slash. So wait for to open. So this is the dev. Just I added one connection. I name it like a dev. Nothing else. Properties. So see service name. What is the service name? Free. So service name will be free. Right? It is done. Next one. Spring dot data source dot username. Username is system. Spring dot data source dot password. What is manager? Next, spring dot data source dot driver class name. It will give some suggestions. See, it will giving the two suggestions. Oracle, JDBC, Oracle, JDBC, Oracle driver, Oracle JDBC driver dot Oracle driver. So select this one Oracle dot JDBC dot Oracle driver. Oracle dot JDBC dot Oracle driver. So database properties are done. JPA properties. So spring dot JPA dot so hyphen SQL equal to true. See, for this there is no suggestions. These are the for JPA. Spring dot JPA dot show SQL. After that, spring dot JPA dot JPA dot see spring dot JPA dot generate spring dot JPA dot hibernate DDL auto. It will give multiple options. See, so update nothing but if not exist table it will create or it will be update. In this video I'm not using, it is not recommended in real time, so we will create manual. In real time there is a like some flyway database, some scripts they will write and they will execute, then it will be created tables. But by using this spring.jpa.hibernate.ddl-auto, this will not use in real time, they will not use, and I am not using here. So spring dot jpa dot properties spring dot jpa dot properties dot hibernate dot format underscore sql format underscore sql equal to true. So up to the JPA properties are done. So now we need to add the what we need to add Kafka properties, right? So we need to add the Kafka properties. right? So we need to add the Kafka properties. So let's start adding the Kafka properties. So Kafka, so Kafka properties, right? First, here bootstrap server, bootstrap server, bootstrap server, added address, nothing but host colon port of broker, right? So now spring dot Kafka dot bootstrap servers. So Apache Kafka we are running in local only. Localhost colon localhost colon 9092. Next, so group ID. So let's create a group ID. Suppose spring dot Kafka dot spring dot Kafka dot consumer spring dot Kafka dot consumer group ID. Suppose loan hyphen approvals loan hyphen approvals hyphen group. See loan hyphen approvals hyphen group. So after that post app server is there. I've done. Consumer group is done. Next, what will be the like in consumer? I am telling consume message from the earlier from beginning. That means last 7 days, whatever messages are there, please consume. This is the new consumer, right? So it will consume from the. If I will add this command, this key value pair, it will consume from the 7 days onwards. Whatever messages are available in the topic, those will be consumed. So for that, spring dot spring dot spring dot Kafka dot spring dot Kafka dot consumer spring dot Kafka dot consumer dot so auto offset reset. There will be multiple options like earlier, so earlier, latest, exception, and earlier means beginning, available, all up. Latest means no one whatever messages are no one was published to topic, those will be. Now this is done, right? Now related to these are also related to these two also related to consumer only. Let's say I do one thing. Consumer. So now spring dot Kafka dot spring dot Kafka dot consumer dot key hyphen key deserializer key deserializer. So spring dot Kafka dot consumer dot key deserializer org dot apache dot org dot apache dot kafka dot common dot serialization. Check the spelling. Serialization dot string deserializer string. This is the class, right? First letter capital string dc serializer deserializer string deserializer, right? Enter. Copy the same. Control C. Control V. Spring dot. So spring dot Kafka dot consumer dot value deserializer. So spring dot Kafka dot consumer dot value deserializer, right? So for that, so here org dot, so let's remove this org dot spring framework org dot spring framework dot org dot spring framework dot kafka dot serializer dot json deserializer deserializer org dot springwork dot kafka dot support dot serializer dot json deserializer. Enter. Now so next one spring dot kafka dot consumer dot spring kafka dot consumer dot spring dot kafka dot consumer dot properties dot spring dot json dot trusted dot packages star saying trust the all packages spring dot kafka dot consumer dot properties dot spring dot json dot trusted dot packages all. Now next one here spring dot kafka dot consumer dot properties dot spring dot kafka dot consumer dot properties dot spring dot json dot value dot default dot type. So default dot type we need to pass the so we need to pass here Kafka event. Kafka event class as of now we are not created. So suppose let's create this one. So let's create and let's add like right click new class suppose package com.fst loan loan approval dot loan approval dot Kafka. This is the package. Suppose class loan approval request loan approval request event. Copy this package name loan approval request event. Finish it. This way we'll add once it is done. Application dot properties here package dot class name is loan approval request event loan approval request event. So it is done, right? After that, so it is done, right? After that, producer related. So copy this. Let's quickly complete. Control C as producer. Suppose spring dot Kafka dot it will be producer. After that, so spring dot Kafka dot producer dot key serializer orc Apache dot Kafka dot common dot serialization dot string serializer string deserializer string serializer here string serializer. So next quickly copy second one this control C paste here spring dot Kafka dot producer dot value serializer org.springframework.kafka.support.serializer.json serializer. Right, it is done. Next, so up to the what happened up to so database Oracle related properties added, JPay related added, Bootstrap related added, consumer added, producer added. What left? Remember what left? What we need to add? So topic related were added, theme related were added or not? These two we need to add topic related, theme related. App dot Kafka dot app dot Kafka dot loan hyphen topic. So app dot Kafka dot loan hyphen topic. So topic like we are mentioned like here see loan approval topic. So loan hyphen approval hyphen topic. Loan hyphen approval hyphen topic. There are two producers, right? So app dot one loan approval, one is the notification. App dot Kafka dot notification. These are our choice keys only. These two our choice keys only. App dot Kafka dot notification hyphen topic. So check the topic name here. Loan notification topic. Loan hyphen notification hyphen loan hyphen notification hyphen topic. Loan hyphen notification hyphen topic. So these are related to topics, right? So topics related topics were added. Now we need to add one theme related. Theme related, it is important. Spring dot theme dot catch. We are saying false, right? Spring dot theme dot catch. Done. So spelling wrong, false, right? So up to application dot properties are done, right? Up to application properties are done. So let's develop a loan approval entity. So let's develop a where added, right? One this request. Let's complete this request event, right? Loan approval request event. So it contains only event ID, nothing else. Suppose let's use Lambda connotations. Data is not recommended, but still I am using. Like we need to use separate at getter, at setter, at toasting. Those are the recommended. At no R constructor, like that. At all R constructor, right? Let's create a field private string event ID. It is done. Now let's make a new package called for event. So let's make a package for what event. So class com dot fsd dot com dot fsd dot loan approval dot entity com dot fsd dot loan approval entity. So entity name like so which entity? Loan approval entity. Loan approval entity. Finish it. Maximize. Now annotate with at entity. At entity. It is nothing but at entity, nothing but link between our this entity class and database table. Database table. At table. It is nothing but to mention the table name. For table name, by default class name is a table name. If you want to our choice name as a table name, we need to use like I mentioned here. What name I mentioned? Loan approval event. Same table I will use. Loan underscore approval. Check loan underscore app ro val approval underscore event. So let's think about what fields required. Let's add shutter getters, Lombok related like that. Then we will think about it. Add no R constructor at R at the right of all R constructor. So let's think. So what fields needed? Suppose event ID. It is better, right? Event ID. Like status. Like loan approval. It is approved under review like that. Payload and creator date. Okay, let's use these three. For that, private string event ID. After that, private string status approved or not. Private. Let's I will take byte. Private byte payload. Next, private local datetime. Local datetime for what? Created date. Created date. Now we all are know every entity table must have a primary key, right? So that means at the right of ID. ID must be there, right? After that, so let's add the column names also. Column. Let's add the column names also. Suppose enter. See, these are the attributes available. Name. So event underscore ID. To save some time, just copy. After that, status. So now what is payload? Payload. What is this? Created underscore date. Suppose created underscore date. So entity preparation also done, right? Now suppose here as per our architecture, so in browser we are sending the request like this request like a post request. We know this is post request. We know this post is not supported browser, but I am like assume like a request coming from the browser. So this is post request. So assume this request coming from the postman. Postman So post request is sending. Assume that is like a Chrome browser. So for that payload is needed, right? Payload, loan approval. For that payload, for that let's say add a one DTO. For that let's say add a one DTO. So let's say add a one DTO like loan approval DTO. Let's create a package. So right click new package com.fst dot loan approval com.fst dot loan approval com.fst dot loan spelling check loan approval dot dto com.fst dot loan approval dto finish. Now let's add a loan approval dto loan approval dto. So suppose loan is approved, what kind of details I need to send? So think about it, which kind of fields I need. Suppose loan approved, which kind of fields I need? Loan ID I need, customer name I need, email address I need, loan amount I need, status I need, right? So for that, which fields I need? Private string loan ID. Loan ID I need. After that, private string customer name I need. After that, private string customer email ID for email template sending. After that, private double loan amount. After that, private string status nothing but like approved or under review. So these two only I'm adding. So if not none of these two, then I am adding one default. I'm adding one default. If it is none of this status, it is like a default. So these are the fields. So I am using Lombard connotations. Get data at no R constructor at all R constructor. So up to what we developed. So DTO we added, entity we added, Kafka. So request event DTO. DTOs are we are added. Now let's start building the controller. So check here in architecture diagram what I explained. So we are hitting the one endpoint through postman or browser. So it is a post request. Don't ask like post request is not allowed in browser, right? Yes, it is not allowed, but assume like a post request we are sending through Chrome browser. Like here loan approval. What is this? Endpoint loan approval. So we are sending the loan approval. create a one controller, start developing this loan approval endpoint. So for that, right click new class. So let's take a name like post. Let's add a package com.fst loan approval com.fst loan approval controller. So loan approval controller. So see here in architecture diagram there are two endpoints, loan approval endpoint, event ID endpoint, right? Two endpoints, right? So we need to build. First we will focus on post this loan approval. What will happen? Loan approval. So we are preparing the loan approval event. First we are saving into database. So this request is coming to the controller. After that going to service. In service we are saving into database this event. After that we are publishing event to this loan approval topic. We are sending event to Kafka. Like we are not sending entire this event prepared event. We are saving entire event in database, but in Kafka we are just sending only event ID. Event ID. After that, what happened? There is a listener called loan approval topic. Loan approval topic. Same topic. It is a producer. It is a consumer, or it is a subscriber. So by using event ID, we are fetching the event data. After that, prepare notification template event. We are preparing. After that, prepared preparation is done. We are publishing event to another topic called loan notification event. So it will go to store into topic 2. Then so in future may we will build a email service. It will listen the loan notification service. This is the flow, right? So let's start the development of controller. Maximize it. Now let's maximize it. Yet controller. Yet controller. Yet required R constructor. So okay, add. This is for the injecting. We need to inject right service here. For that, after that, add add request mapping. Add request mapping. So slash loan hyphen approvals slash loan hyphen approvals. So to develop loan approval controller, we need a service, right? We need a service. So let's develop first service, then we will come to here. So for that, let's add a new package. New package like so dot Apache dot com dot Apache dot loan loan approval dot service. Check the spelling. Com dot Apache dot loan approval dot service. So this is a package. Finish. After that, right click new class. So loan approval service. Loan approval service. I am not creating like interface. After that, interface it is implementing. That is I am not doing. Straight away I am creating only two methods, only two main logics, maybe multiple methods because of some private methods may I need to add, right? So finish it. Now loan approval service. Post two are there, right? Two endpoints, loan approvals and get event ID. So we need to create loan approval. First, I will try to create a loan approval. For that, public string create loan approval. Create loan approval. So what we will pass loan approval detail. Loan approval. Loan approval detail. So like detail, right? So now we need to prepare the loan approval entity. We need to prepare the loan approval entity. Let's create a loan approval entity. Loan approval entity equal to new loan approval entity. Let's check what contains entity. See, set post event ID, payload, status, created date. So event ID nothing but UID. For that UID dot random UID. See, two are there. So C imports are two are there. Let's use the Java 1 dot toString. So let's string event ID. So now set event ID, right? After that, so entity dot so entity dot set status. So dto dot get status. Next one, so entity dot set payload. It is bytes. How to convert? So Now payload how to do one thing. So for this do one thing. Suppose here what you do private final. So object mapper object mapper object mapper. Now here object mapper dot. So which method we need to use? To write value as bytes string. It will return the string. Okay, this take. So then write value as string. Let's pass the DTO. So what it will return? String JSON. It will throws the exception, right? Do one thing, throws exception. Exception related things I am not properly handling. Later videos I will focus on exception also. So this video I am skipping exception most of the part. Now, so JSON, it is expecting the bytes I provided string. How to convert string dot get bytes. What I need to pass standard something will be there. Standard char set dot UTF-8. It is done, right? Next one. So event ID, status, payload, what else pending, entity dot set created date. So for that local date time dot now. Local date time dot now. Right? So event preparation is done. Now what I need to do to save. To save I need a repository, right? Repository dot save. As of now I have not created any repository. So do one thing. Let's add a new package for repository. So let's add a new package for repository. Right click new package form.fst loan loan approval dot repository finish. So let's add a class loan approval repository. What we need to add? Let's add a repository loan approval repository loan approval repository. Finish it. So here at repository is optional. It is optional. Actually, this is not a class interface. We need to so extends we need to extend the JPA repository. So T means so entity. What entity we are using? loan approval entity. Loan approval entity, primary key type. What is primary key type? It is a check primary key type. It is a string. So it is a string type. So it is done. Let's copy the interface name. There is no methods. There is no finder methods we are not using. Like here, finder method. We are not using those. Nothing we are using right now. If needed, later videos we will add it. Now go to service. Service, maximize, yeah, private final loan approval repository. So loan approval repository, repository. Then import, done, right? So let's mark this class as a service, and we are injecting through constructor injection. That means by using logblock, right? At required art constructor. Right now we need to save. For that, repository dot save. So this event we need to save. Saving part run. See in application or properties what we did. Go to the above in JPA properties where commented out spring dot java dot hibernate dot ddl hyphen auto where commented out. So now what we need to do, we need to create a table. So further let's prepare a table. So for that let's prepare a table. Table contains event ID. See what contains table, event ID, status, payload. So created date, right? So create table. Table name is loan. Check what we are added. Go to the entity. So name loan underscore approval underscore event. Loan approval event. So we are created loan approval event table, right? So here we need to add a columns, right? Suppose event underscore id. So var char 2 of 100. It is the primary key underscore primary space key. Next column status. It is also var char 2 of. So status like approved, under, review like that, right? It is the last character. So 50. After that, payload. Payload is a bytes, right? Blob, right? Created date. created underscore date for that timestamp, like local date dot now, right? That means timestamp. Time timestamp. Timestamp. We need to like default system default as well as timestamp. Check carefully once. Create table name, event underscore id, varchar 200 characters, primary key, status, varchar 250 characters, payload, blob, created date, timestamp, default, system, sys, timestamp, right? So let's control C. So control V, select, execute, put check any tables are there with L letter, L, KL, right? Here between H and M, this will be there. Loan approval event, but still not there. Let's after executing this query, it will be created. Missing comma or right parenthesis. Somewhere mistake. This is a mistake. Default capital default. Default spelling is wrong. That's why creating issue. Let's update it. That's it. Now select the execute. Missing comma or right parenthesis. So somewhere issue is there. Let's check. See, it is created. Created. Control C. Second time it is created, but we feel like this log we are not observed this. This is we are created. See, let's refresh it. Default issue we are fixed. Loan approval event. No data yet. Empty, right? So table were created. Let's copy this table. Control C. So go to your resources. Let's create a one file node.txt. Enter. Suppose capital letters loan underscore approval underscore event table done, right? So control S. After that table is ready. We are saved. What I said, after save into Oracle database, we need publish event to loan approval event, right? Loan approval topic. We need to publish event to loan approval topic. So producer we are not yet prepared, right? So we need to prepare producer, right? So see now See, this part is done. Save to database is done. We need to publishes event to loan approval topic. So for that, what needs to do? See here, let's inject a Kafka template. Let's inject a Kafka template. So for that, here, here, private final Kafka template. Kafka template. Key is the topic name is the string. Value is the loan approval request event. See post one what we are sending event ID. So event ID is there in the loan approval request event. Loan approval request event where it will be there. Go to the Kafka. This is the loan approval request event. Here available. So then one reference variable like Kafka template semicolon. So import. Now go to here. Now Kafka template dot send. So send. This is the topic. This is the event object. So suppose let's hardcode the topic name. Go to scroll down here. Let's hardcode this right loan approval topic. So let's hardcode topic. After that new loan approval request event. This is the all are constructor. Only one right. All are constructor. What I need to pass event ID. Event ID where it is there. Here we are created right. Generated UID dot random. One UID. Yeah. This is the publishing messages to message to. This is publishing message to this topic. Publishing message to this topic, right? After that, so we need to return what we need to return, what is expecting. So return event ID. It is expecting string, right? Return event ID. Control S. So it is done. Now what we need to do? Now go to the controller. Now go to the controller. Let's inject the service. Private final loan approval service. So here in controller loan approval service service. So at class level we are using controller request or constructor request mapping. This is the constructor injection. Let's create a method, right? So public string suppose some create Request body we need to pass, right? Request body. Request body loan approval DTO. Let's check loan approval DTO. So now what it will return service dot create loan approval DTO. It will throws one exception, then throws exception part I am not focusing in this video. Later video we will discuss about it. Right now up to done, right? Now what I need to do, let's create a loan creation approval. Loan creation is done. So we need to check the get loan. Loan is approved or not. So for that, let's create a method get loan in controller. In service, let's create a get loan. So yeah, now service. So in service, what needs to do? Suppose public loan approval DTO. So get loan. What is expecting? String event ID. Event ID. Now what we need to do by using event ID here. So listener loan approval. So here this publishes event to loan approval event. What publishes what inside this topic event ID. There is a one listener loan approval event topic. Listening event ID get event data by get entity data by event ID. It will purchase the entity data by using event ID, right? So for that, now what needs to do? We need to find the event by using. We need to find the entity by using event ID. So find by ID. So yeah, find by ID. Find by ID. We need to pass the event ID. So let's use RF throw or else throw. I'm not passing any message here. What it will return? So loan approval entity. Simply it is an entity. Then what we need to do? So what we need here in entity? Payload will be there, right? That payload we need to finally that payload we need to convert to this loan approval DTO. This we need to convert. How to convert payload to string post? For that new string of what I need to do entity dot get payload. Okay, payload is received. Then standard character set something will be there, right? Standard char sets dot utf8. So semicolon what it will return. So what it will return, suppose string JSON where object is created. Okay, fine. With two parameters, string object is created, right? After that, return. Use the object mapper dot read value. Read value. So JSON we need to pass on loan approval detail. We need to pass loan approval detail dot class we need to pass. Right? It is throwing one exception. Let's throw exception. We need to catch and handle actually, but we are throwing the exception. We are giving a least priority to exception only because of later videos we will care about the exceptions as well. So later videos we will care about the so right. This is for the get loan. This is for the event. See event ID second API. Event ID. By using event ID, we are fetching the data, right? For that, this is for the second API. Let's go to controller. Let's go to the controller. Now add the second API. Now go to the controller. Add the second API. So second API nothing but public string. Suppose give name like you, it will return template, right? Theme lift template. So let's give the like a name like you at the rate of path variable string event id comma model control shift to check the you can must use the org spring boot org spring framework dot ui dot model. See this import we need to use org dot org dot spring spring framework dot ui dot model. So finish it, scroll down. Now in service we are created, right, one method like get loan, right? Let's call that suppose service dot get loan. Service dot get loan. We need to pass event ID, right? What it will return? Check what it will return. Post last handle the exception. Suppose throws exception. So loan approval detail. It will return loan approval detail. So detail equal to loan approval detail. Then see here model dot See, this loan approval D2O contains, see, there are so many fields are there, right? Loan ID, customer name, email ID, loan amount, status. Let's copy this all. Control C, go to the controller. Let's paste here for some time. Scroll down. Model dot add attribute. Add attribute. So let's check any of the string like that. So this one. Add attribute, string attribute name, object, attribute value. This one, pick it up this one. So now customer name. Let's take customer name, then dto dot get customer name. This is completed, remove it. After that, Control C. So loan ID. Same names. These are the DTO same names. Don't change, otherwise may not work. Next one, Control C. So status. Status. Remove this. Now next one, Control C. Now loan amount. Loan amount. So we are sending this template to the mail, right? So this is mail again, not needed. This is not needed. Loan amount added. Now see different types of statuses. What are there? Two types statuses. We are now processing, right? We are using approved one, second one under review. Under review, two statuses are there. So after that, one is the default. If not, default. If not approved or under review, remaining will be the default. So remaining anything is called default. So now model attributes of preparation is done. We need to return. I am using a switch dto dot get status. So I want to convert this to uppercase. Okay, then so semicolon, right? Semicolon. So now, yeah, let's add case. Two cases, right? One case is one case. One first case is the approved. Case one is the approved. Approved. Case two under. Case two is the under review. So there is a default one, right? Default. So let's use lambda, some default one, right? Now here lambda, so we are not created at templates. Theme lift templates were created, right? We need to add those. Let's I will give names here. Those we need to add loan, loan hyphen, approval hyphen, loan hyphen, approval hyphen, template. This we need to make. After that lambda, so other template like loan hyphen, review hyphen, template. Third one loan hyphen, submitted hyphen, template. Check the spellings. Loan hyphen, loan hyphen, approved, loan hyphen, approved hyphen, template, loan hyphen, review hyphen, template, loan hyphen, submitted hyphen, template, semicolon. See, there is the error. Let's check what is the root cause of this error. Syntax error, misplaced constructor. Syntax error, misplaced constructor. So this will be ended, right? This will be ended, right? Some space. Default spelling wrong. Default, right? Default. Select all, Control Shift S, Control S. So up to the controller fully is done. So up to what we developed. So these two endpoints are done. So coming to the this loan approval event saving to database is done. Publishes event to loan approval topic. So this event ID sending to topic is done. It is done, right? Learner is pending. So templates preparation is pending. This part is pending. This part is pending, right? So let's do that. So now let's copy loan approved template, loan review template, loan submitted template. Control C. Here templates are there, right? Let's add 3 file loan approved template dot html. So after that, second template is loan review template. Control C. Right click new file loan review template dot html. Third one loan submitted template. Third one loan submitted template. So new file loan submitted dot html. So these 3 templates we need to build now. Now first one loan approved template. So loan approved template. maximize. We need to post import the namespace, right? Post we need to import the namespace. So document after here we need to import the namespace. HTML space XML NS. Be careful while adding, otherwise tags will not work. XML NS colon TH here http colon double slash www dot thyme themelift dot org. So it is the close. Now let's add a header. Inside the header title. Title will be loan approved. Loan approved. After that, what will be there? Body will be there, right? So body will be there. Body. So inside body, suppose let's think what needs to add. What we needs to add? Suppose like loan approval notification. Look like it is good, right? Loan approval notification. Look like it is good. H2, yeah, loan approval, loan approval notification. No, loan approval notification. After that, so some name of the person we need to add, like hello, for the name of the person. So customer name, right? Dollar. So now customer, otherwise copy from the controller, let's copy the names. Customer name, control C, here, control, maximize, loan approval notification, allow, space, customer name. After that, some paragraph, like congratulations. So, congratulations. Congratulations, right? After that, another paragraph like P. So, your your loan application. Suppose some bold. So, your loan application, some bold. We need to add the loan ID. So, here, what we need to add loan ID. Suppose here loan ID. So check the brackets, otherwise it will not work. Two brackets, dollar symbol, bracket, loan ID. It is defined. After that, so after that here, so has been approved. Okay, has been approved. After that, After that, another paragraph. So another paragraph like loan approved. What is the loan amount? Loan amount. Here B. So again brackets dollar symbol curly brackets. Yeah, loan amount. Let's copy the field name from the controller. Go to controller. Loan amount. Go to here. Control loan amount. After that, so here another P. What left? Status. So current status. So B. Let's copy this one. Control C. Control V. Rename to status. Control S. As of now, one template is done. Copy. Control C. We will try to reuse this. Let's try loan review template. So loan review template. Right. So this is the namespace. It is the common. So title loan under review. This is the review, right? Under loan under review. Loan review notification. Suppose loan review notification. Hello customer name. So let's say add a comma after that customer name, let's add a comma. So control as next. So your loan application, loan ID is currently under review. Is currently under review. Loan amount, right? After that current status. After that current status. Control as it is done. So copy this first one. Control C. Go to the loan submitted template. So let's try to here also reuse. So loan submitted. Namespace, it is common for all templates, right? Submitted. Loan submitted. Loan submission notification. Loan submission notification. This is the name, your loan application. Let's remove this. Your loan application has been submitted successfully. So submitted successfully. It is done, right? After that loan amount current status. So 3 templates are done. Now see here. So prepare notification theme lib templates. So here theme lib templates are prepared. Theme lib templates are prepared, but here after getting entity data, we are preparing the event. Publish event to here we need to prepare the event and we need to publish to loan notification topic. That is not yet done. So let's start that part. So go to the post. We need to create a listener. See, this is publishes event to loan approval topic. This this is the listener, right? This listener we are not yet started. Let's start the listener. So for that, go to the Kafka package. So let's give a name like a loan approval Kafka listener. So right click, new class loan approval Kafka loan approval Kafka listener. Right, finish. So let's add a stereotype annotation. It is a component, not command. It is a component. That component. So now we need to inject here loan approval service, right? So provide final loan, provide final loan approval service. Inject through Lombok constructor injection require our constructor. Now let's this is listener, right? Yet listener said at Kafka listener will be available. So public void listen. So what is expecting? See here we are sending the event to topic with what data? Event ID. So it is the listener. What is expecting event ID? So right for that loan approval request event. Loan approval request event. Suppose event. After that we need to add here at Kafka listener. So we need to pass the topics and group ID. So we need to pass the topics and group ID. For that topic we need to pass the group ID. So let's copy from the application.properties topic. This is the old topic only. This is the app.kafka.loan loan topic. This is the so go to add this is the topic name. Dollar symbol braces. So after that dollar symbol braces here group ID. Let's check where group ID is there. So group ID, right? So this is the group ID. Group ID. Right. Now it is listening, right? It is listening. So event is came. Event is came. What is giving suppose event dot get ID. Event ID. Nothing but CUID. See? So UUID it is returning. What is returning? UUID it is returning. So by using UUID, so suppose it is returning UUID, right? So then we need to add a one method in loan approval service. Like what method I need to add? Like process loan approval. Similar like process loan approval. So let's add here public wide process loan approval. So what we are getting from the listener event ID, right? So string event ID we are getting from the listener event ID. So we have a method right here get loan. By using event ID we are getting the loan approval DTO. So can we reuse this? So what we are getting loan approval DTO. So DTO equal to after that see. So this is the loan approval DTO, right? Do one thing. After that loan notification event. That is where not added, right? At loan notification event. So let's create a one event like loan notification event. New class like loan notification event. So loan notification event. So let's annotate some annotations here. Yet data it is not recommended, but still I am using. It is individual annotations are recommended like at setter, at getter, at hosting like that. No R constructor, all are constructor. So let's think about fields. Suppose a loan notification event, right? Like some loan ID, private string loan ID. So after that, this is the loan notification event, right? Some email. Suppose some email. Private string email. So suppose some subject private string some subject. After that, private string, some template name. Like there are three templates, right? Some body, private string body, controller. So controllers. So here some issues happen. Somewhere something went wrong. Public class, low notification event. These are the fields. Right. Now let's take this class name. Go to the service. So maximize. Now by using get loan, we are getting the loan approval DTO. After that, what needs to do? Prepare notification. So let's do prepare notification. For that, let's take a one private method. Prepare notification. Notification. So we are expecting to pass here loan approval DTO. This method what needs to do? Notification event. We copy right this one. Loan notification event. This is we are expecting to return. This is we need to prepare right now. So after preparation, what will happen? So here after preparation, what will happen? This dot prepare notification we are passing. Now after that we need to call. So here we need to call the new producer service to push an event to Kafka topic. This is not yet developed. I need to start this. This is pending. So this is pending. We need to do right process here. Process loan approval. Post go to the listener. We are stopped right building this listener. It is in middle. So now service dot now maximize service dot prepare loan approval expecting event ID. So this is event dot get event ID. Select all control shift F control S. This is the listener. We are passing the topic and group ID. It is throwing exception. Let's throw it. Throws exception. So then see the method process loan approval string is undefined for the type loan approval service. So let's go to string event ID, right? So maximize. So event ID, it is string only, right? Now go to this one, go to, let's save this. Now no errors, right? This is the listener. So what we have built right now, this part, listener, listening to which topic, loan approval topic, it is listening. What is getting, like which data it is, event ID is available. By using event ID, it is fetching the event data. After fetching the event data, it is processing, preparing the notification event. So it is that event publishing to the topic 2. This topic 2 subscribing the email service. This is we will develop later. So up to what we build, up to what we build, up to this part. Up to this part we are build, we are preparing here, we are in this page, last page. Now go to the loan approval service, maximize. This private method we need to build prepare notification, right? So we need to build the prepare notification. So for that, so let's use the switch. So switch data get status, data get status, let's to uppercase, to uppercase. So now two cases only there. One is the approved, another one is the under review. Two cases only. So one is the approved status. If it is approved, colon, let's take some fields here. Suppose string template name, colon, template names, let's copy from the controller. We are added, right? These are the template names. Let's copy this part. Control C, go to the service, maximize. So, like case approved. If approved, what is the template name? If approved, template name equal to loan approved template. This is the template. Semicolon. After that, let's take new field called string subject. String subject colon subject, right? Subject equal to, so loan approved, loan approved. After that, break, same case 2. This is the case, approved case. Another case like under review. This is the case like a under review. So under a review case. Now this is the done. Remove this also. So this is also removed. Now this part, loan review template. So this part, after that, loan under review. Loan under loan under review, right? Next case, default case. If none of these two, then default case, right? So default anything, default case. Now let's copy last one, loan submitted template. Control C, remove these two. Loan submitted template. Here subject will be loan submitted. Loan submitted. See, default spelling wrong. Default. Default. Control S. Now we need to use the context to prepare the loan notification event, right? For that, switch case is done. Select all, Control Shift F for format. Now we need to prepare the event, right? For that, context. Context equal to new context. Control Shift O. Check there are multiple packages are there. So which one we need to select? It is theme leaf related, right? This one. We need to choose theme leaf. It is the theme leaf one. Choose the theme leaf one. After that, context dot. So here context dot set variable. See what are setter methods are there, local, variable, variables. It is expecting map. So we need this set variable, string name, object value. So like names, right? So what is the request? This is the loan approval detail. Let's copy what we need, customer name, loan ID, status, loan amount. Let's copy this 5. So go to service. Now scroll down. Add here. We need a customer name. So now it will be the customer name and detail dot get customer name. Let's remove this one. Let's add another 3 variables. These three setters. Email is no needed. After that, loan ID. Loan ID. So get loan ID. Loan ID is done. remove it. After that, status. Third one, it is the status, get status. Fourth one, loan amount. Fourth one is the loan amount. Control C, loan amount. Control V, remove this. Control S. So we are setting D2O, D2 array get us to the context set variables. After that, there is a method in template engine where it is we need to inject here template engine. We are not injected right at template engine, so we need to inject. As of now, we are injected. So this object mapper, loan approval repository, these three right. So we need to do now template engine, private final, private final, template engine. It is the template engine. So write template engine, semicolon, control S, go to, let's take template engine, scroll down here, here. Now what needs to do? Template engine dot process method. Expecting C template and I context. So what needs to pass? Okay. Template name and context. Okay. What it will return? It will return the body. String body. Now what we need to do? Now return new loan notification event. So less so dto dot get loan ID. After that dto dot so dto dot get email, dto dot get email. So dto dot get subject, get see dto dot get loan ID, dto dot get email, subject and template name body semicolon. So this is the done, right? There is a one is pending, right? Notification publisher. Notification here. I commented here. New producer service. New producer service, right? So throws exception. So let's prepare a one producer. This is now we are working on this preparation, event preparation, notification event preparation. Templates are done. Now we are in the process of publishes event to load notification topic. This way we are working. So currently up to here, this part is done. This part is done. This we are not doing. This is currently we are not doing. Only pending this publishes event to load notification topic. This is only pending. This I will work right now. So for that, go to Kafka package is right there, right? So now let's add a loan notification producer. Let's add a loan notification producer. Right click new class loan notification producer. Loan notification producer. Enter. See, it is a component. So at maximize at component. After that, let's inject the Kafka template. It is the producer, right? Kafka template dot send methods will be there on send method. Private final Kafka template. Kafka template. It is the string. After that, notification loan notification event. So here Kafka template semicolon. So this is the constructor injection required R constructor. Let's build a method. So now public void method. We are not expecting to return. Public void publish loan notification event, right? Loan notification event. So now Kafka template dot some send method will be there. Send topic and event. So topic, right? For the topic, it is a new topic. Private string notification topic. So here at value. So dollar second topic name. Go to application dot properties. So maximize second topic is this one. App dot Kafka dot notification topic. Go to now add here. So this is the notification topic. Add here semicolon. After that, let's add a one logger. So SLF4J. Scroll down here. Log.info notification event published notification event published comma event dot get loan id select all control shift tab for controllers. So it is done. Now go to the loan approval service. Let's inject a field. Constructor injection we need to do, right? First, after that, we need to call publish method, right? So loan notification producer, right? So here private final loan notification publisher. So here notification publisher. Go with this reference. Scroll down here. What we need to do here? See process loan approval. So process loan approval. What we need to do? Event preparation is done, right? What we will get? Loan notification event. Loan notification event. Here notification notification equal to now what needs to do here? This is the another, this is the second producer dot publish. So this object we need to pass. Select all, control shift S, control S. So as of now development part is done. Let's so quickly create the topics. So first we need to create the topics. Table is done, right? Table is done. After that, so we need to create a topic, right? First, let's start the server. First, we need to start the server, right? For that, CMD. So first, we need to start the server. So Kafka server we need to start, right? So for that, so now we need to start the server. What is to do? Go here. So Kafka hyphen server hyphen start dot bat. So Kafka hyphen server hyphen start dot bat. What we need to pass here? The Kafka config server dot properties. So more options. Properties here. Security, copy this one. So now this is command to start the, so add here some note points are there, right? Here nodes maximize to start Apache Kafka server. This is the command. Now enter. So spelling wrong. Kafka hyphen server hyphen start dot bat. This is right. Now correct here. Kafka hyphen server hyphen start dot bat. After that, what we need to do? we need to create a topics. We need to create a topics, right? So for that, so now server is running. We need to create a topics. So for that, let's create a new terminal. CMD. We need to create a two topics, right? So Kafka hyphen topics dot bat hyphen create hyphen topic names like the topic names are, let's check in application. So loan approval topic, it is a topic name. So Kafka hyphen topics dot bat hyphen create hyphen topic name hyphen partisans partisans right, partisans space 3 post of server address, that means broker address. So right, so post of server address nothing but via broker it will connect to the cluster metadata, right? Hyphen bootstrap bootstrap hyphen server bootstrap server localhost colon 9092. This is for the topic 1 creation. Let's add here. Go to nodes, node, maximize, suppose here topic hyphen 1 creation. This is for the topic 1 creation. So this is for the topic 1 creation. Let's copy the same. This is for the topic 2 creation. Like change the topic name, loan notification topic, notifi notification notification topic. So enter. So it is saying topic already exists. So let's check in application.properties. So it is already available. Loan approval topic is already available. Otherwise, you can change like loan approvals topic, loan notifications topic. Okay, go to where added right in somewhere else hard coded. There also you can change here loan approvals topic. Now we are changed to topic name like loan loan approvals topic created right, loan notifications, loan notifications topic, notifications topic created, right? So we are added as both. So go to notes file, maximize. We are added like loan approvals topic and another one loan notifications topic. Control S. Then so let's verify the topics created or not. For that, so verify topics are created or not. For that command is so Kafka hyphen topics dot bat hyphen list hyphen bootstrap hyphen server localhost colon 9092. Let's copy this one. Let's copy this one. Control C, enter. It will list out all topics. See, check how topics are there or not. Loan approvals topic, it will be there. Loan notifications topic, it will be there. There, right? Let's add this command here. So topics are done. After that, as of now, what we done? Table were created. So topics were created. Where you repair topic there are not. So after that, so let's run the both consumers. So let's run the both consumers. So let's create CLS Kafka hyphen consumer hyphen Kafka hyphen console hyphen consumer dot bat. After that, see Kafka hyphen console hyphen consumer.bat. So hyphen topic name is less better to copy here loan approvals topic. Here loan approvals topic. So loan approvals topic hyphen from beginning we are used, right? Earlier some we are already used hyphen from beginning, it is already there. After that, so hyphen group hyphen id, right? Group hyphen id. This is I think not required. Hyphen bootstrap hyphen server hyphen bootstrap hyphen server space localhost colon 9092. This is for to run one consumer. It is listening. See, so it is for loan approval topic consumer, right? Let's add another one loan approvals loan notification loan notification topic consumer. For that here loan notification approval, right? Let's create a new CMD. Let's copy this one. Control C. Next CMD. So yeah, paste. See Kafka hyphen consumer Kafka hyphen console hyphen consumer dot bad hyphen topic loan notifications topic bootstrap server. This is the bootstrap server address. Bootstrap server you will pointing to the broker, right? Enter. Now both consumers are listening. So what I need to do? Let's up and running this service. Let's up and running this service. Let's check if there are any failures or not. If any errors are there, it may be failed. Let's check Spring Boot app. So look like no issues were created to press topics. There is no old data to see. There is no old data to consume, right? So what I need to do now? I will send a request. For that, let's go to the controller endpoint is what was the endpoint slash loan approvals in controller. See, in controller there is no path for this, so let's stop here. For this we need to add a one get map kind of. See, this is the path variable, right? At get mapping we need to pass at get mapping of slash event id. Event id control as. Let's rerun this. Go to the application or properties. Check the server port number 8101. 8101, right? 8101. So run as Spring Boot app. Spring Boot app. Now up and running, right? So up and running. Let's go to the postman. So post URL like localhost suppose 8101 slash loan hyphen approvals, right? So body ra json, body ra json. So what we need to pass here? Oh yeah, see loan id. Suppose let's pass a loan 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 id colon ln 1001. Suppose one loan ID. Next customer name. So custo customer name. So my name after that. So email. So KRRASAN gmail.com. Next one, loan amount. Check the spellings, otherwise it will not work. Loan ID, customer name, email, loan amount. Loan amount, it is the, we are added double, right? One, suppose like this. After that, status. Now approved. So send this, check, not found. Approval, loan approval. Go to, I think we added API something, right? Let's check slash loan approvals. So yes, so http :/localhost 8104 / no resource found. So better to let's copy this one. Loan hyphen approval. So here loan hyphen approvals, send, not found. So not found. So slash loan approvals. Go to the 8101 loan approvals, right? So if something went wrong, like check, got it. We are missing to add post construct. Here we are not added, right? Add post mapping and add response body because of we are using controller. Stop this one. Go to loan approval processor, maximize, right click, run a Spring Boot app. So once upon running, clear the logs. So if any error is occur, then we can easily identify. So postman send See, successfully send, right? Check the logs. See, producer, client ID, cluster ID, producer ID. So, see here, scroll down. See, these are the three partitions were created, right? These are so here check post one. Post one here. See one. This is the one producer. Where publishing event ID matching, right? Here see in here we are publishing the event ID matching, right? After that here we are publishing the template. Let's check here we are publishing the template. See here, this is the template code. See template code. This is like H3. This one template. These are the template code. Like this it is CMD because of CMD it is look like. So let's take this ID. So do one thing. Same one only change to get. After that remove. Okay, keep this. After that slash ID. Send it. Send it. So if you send like this, it will see it is seeing this is template code, it is printing. I want to see template. Then what I need to do? Go to open browser, enter. See, this is the loan approval template. This is the loan approval template. Send another event by using send another event by using the so here body under review, right? Under review and you can change to 14. Suppose name you can change to Ravi. Send right, collect this event ID UUID, right? These are the two publishers event to topic right here, and here this is the also publishing template. So now change this. This is the under review. Loan review. So otherwise do one thing, another is there, right? So now change to Chendu. Name Chendu 18. Now let's suppose like a final send. This is final, status is not there, so then it will choose the default in see in controller in service, not controller in service. So maximize switch is there, right? Approved. If it matched, it will return this template. Under review, if matched, it will return this template. If nothing, it will return the loan submitted template. So now let's enter. See, loan submission notification. Hello Chandu, your loan application has been submitted successfully. Loan amount. So current status. This is I wrongly added. Let's change loan amount current status. Somewhere I did wrongly. Let's check. So now customer name, loan ID amount status, loan ID amount status. Here amount status, loan ID, name. Go to service where prepared right, customer name, loan ID, status, amount. Status, amount. It is wrong. Let's change to get amount, get loan amount. Control S. Because of dev tools, it is auto restarted. So it is auto restarted. Let's hit again. Hit again. Let's take this one. Let's go to template. Paste here. Still we are getting loan amount. Chandu, current starter, Chandu. That means somewhere is breaking. Let's go to controller, maximize. Let's check. See here. This is the wrong one. Get loan ID. Get status. Get loan amount. Control S. Stop the server. Let's stop the server. So maximize. Right click. Run a Spring Boot app. Clear now. Let's check consumers are working fine or not. These are the working fine. Now post approved events and take the event ID. Now replace it. Enter. See loan amount. Hello Chandu, your loan application has been approved. Loan amount. Current status. See current status. Loan amount. Chandu. Three dynamic fields. Let's check. Is there anything I missed? So, both here loan amount, loan ID there are not. Let's check template one. Loan ID also there. Your loan application, loan ID also there. It has been approved. It has been approved, but it is not printing. Loan ID. Let's check what is the issue. Go to the controller. Loan ID. LOAN ID. Here, template LOAN ID. Loan ID. That is fine, but it is not printing. Loan approval notification. Let's go to the service. Is there any miss here? Loan ID. Get loan ID. It is correct. Loan ID. Loan ID. So let's go to controller. Loan ID. Let's copy this one. Loan approval. Let's paste it. Control S. Let's stop the server. Right click, run as Spring Boot app. Clear console. So again, hit copy this ID, UUID, enter. See, it is not giving the loan ID. Okay, do one thing. Okay, let's check somewhere some mistake we did. That's why it is not giving. Here loan ID will be there or not. Entity dot set loan ID, it is not there here. We are sending wrongly or what? Let's check. Loan ID we are sending correctly only. See here. Go to DP actually what is printing. Let's check. Event ID, status, payload, created date. Right? Let's go to where this DTO is preparing. Loan ID here. Loan ID. Where this is loan ID coming. So where this is used. Maximize this one. Where data is coming. Event ID. Loan. Get loan. Repository. So JSON. Okay. This one JSON is converting into it is giving. Okay. Okay, yeah, loan ID is not there. Right? Loan ID is not there. So do one thing. Here fetching the data right by using event ID. Here set the dot set loan id like UUID dot, otherwise you can set some random dot like that. So do one thing, you can set like random id. So what to do that? So for that, see new random, right, dot next int. Suppose next int, suppose random next int, I need a 6-digit number. For that, suppose 9000000. So 9 5 zeros. So dot, so this int, it is returning int. So now what next to do? We need to cast, right? To string. Now now we are, so O to convert, control Z. This is returning integer, right? We have a method like string dot value of integer. Yeah, it is fine, right? Select all, control shift F, select all. Stop the server, select all, control shift F, control S. So now run the server. Now run the server. Run a Java application. So right, it is up and running, right? So now send. So it is send. Take this ID, event ID, go to browser, paste here, enter. So see, your loan application has been sent, but here no loan ID, right? where added, right? Go to service. Where set loan ID. After that, we are preparing. You are done. So here we are setting the. So it is okay. It is going to this. Here, scroll down. Get loan ID. Loan ID. Status. Loan amount. Loan ID. Something went wrong with loan ID. Let's check. So loan upload request. Loan ID. Control C. Maximize loan ID. Let's stop this. Get loan ID. So after that we are using loan ID here in service only. Loan ID. Get loan ID and in templates loan ID. Here also let's change loan ID. Here also let's change loan ID. Controllers. 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 So rerun application run as Spring Boot app. So now hit the endpoint. Take this. So otherwise take another one. Suppose new. Send. Control C. Control V. Loan amount. So here loan ID is missing. So I will check and make another video. So for that I will make another video. In this video, we are successfully understand about loan approval processing app by using Apache Kafka and Springboard. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.